Understanding transfers from Apple ID to your bank account.
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about a question we often get asked. How long does it take for the money to reflect in my bank account after transferring from my Apple ID? This is a crucial topic, especially for those who often perform transactions with their Apple ID. We will take a deep dive into the process and give you a clear answer.
What is the process of transferring money from Apple ID to a bank account?
Transferring money from your Apple ID to your bank account essentially involves using your Apple Cash balance. Apple Cash is a service that's built into the Apple Pay platform. You can use it to send and receive money in messages. This balance can be transferred to your bank account. The steps to do this are: 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap Apple Cash. 2. Tap the More button. 3. Tap Transfer to Bank. 4. Enter an amount and tap Next. 5. Tap Instant Transfer. If you haven't added a Visa debit card, tap Add Card and follow the instructions on your screen. 6. Tap Greater than Next to the Instant Transfer. 7. Follow the instructions on your screen.
How long does it take for the transfer to complete?
Now, coming to the main question. How long does it take for the money to reflect in my bank account? Once you initiate a transfer, the timing of your transfer can vary. If you use the instant transfer option, for a 1% fee of the transfer amount, the money should typically be available in your bank account within minutes. However, different banks have different processing times, so it could take up to 30 minutes in some cases. If you choose not to use the instant transfer option, the money should be in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, free of charge. So there you have it. In general, you can expect the transfer from your Apple ID or Apple Cash to show up in your bank account either instantly, within 30 minutes for a 1% fee, or within 1 to 3 business days, free of charge. Remember, individual bank processing times may vary, so if you do not see the transfer within these time frames, it's a good idea to contact your bank. We hope this has helped answer your question. Until next time, happy transferring!